So I am Sally and I am currently the talent manager at Aerobotics. So my role as a talent manager is essentially working very closely with all the teams and ensuring that I really understand the needs of all the teams in terms of where the talent is needed and when, and then I find that talent. Also work really closely with HR to make sure that we integrate them really well into the business and to set them up for success. So I joined Aerobotics in May this year, so it's been about 6 months. So before joining the A team, I specialized in advising people in the tech space in terms of when they are moving jobs. A lot of people will get a lot of interest in them and offers, so I was involved in that whole process. Also sort of building out a new product in the tech space that basically flips recruiting like on its head. And then I basically moved into a space which is similar to what I'm doing now, which is very focused on tech and product and building our teams in that space. So that changes quite a bit for me, but currently reading, listening to audible books, like leveling myself up is a thing. Also recently got into jiu-jitsu again, so that has been fun. I do a lot of reflecting and thinking in my free time to just try and, I guess, clear my thoughts and make sure that I think about problems in the most clearest way possible. Also love spending time connecting with friends and people in general. Writing, painting, walking along the beach, and essentially just going with the flow is what I do now. So the first thing I do is I walk up the stairs. Then I generally try to make my rounds from the first floor to the second floor and greeting everyone that's actually like looking up and wanting to be greeted. And then, yeah, I guess, so that's the first thing. And then from a different perspective, when I'm actually at my desk, it would be like planning my day. So right now, it would be Brené Brown, just because I really deeply connect with her teachings and the way she sees life. And I also, it also has inspired a big part of how I do things in my personal life, work life, etc. So yeah, definitely Brené Brown.